everybody? Look what we just got in. Our first order of the new Revival Tech Repair merch from the new merch shop on the website. Let's unbox this. Gotta get a knife. Oh, how's everyone doing today? Happy Sunday. I'm really happy because we're going to check out what we got here. And to start off, it looks like right on top, we got a Revival Tech Repair Flex Fit hat. What do we got next? I don't know if you can see me. Ooh, we got the blue hat in. Hitting it with the RTR logo in the blue. I think this is my new hat for today. Gonna be rocking this one from now on, I think. Check that out. Got the snapback on this guy, so you can tune this guy up to your liking. There we go. All right. Next up, the RTR water bottle. Ooh, comes with a carabiner clip for convenience. Next up, packaging. Ooh. Got the RTR sweatshirt drawstring bag, complete with hoodie-like pockets. Toss some gear in here, throw it on. Good to go. Next up, ooh, this is a good one. Looks like we've got the white two-tone hoodie. So it's got the gray in here, white out front. Looking pretty sweet. Oh yeah. Winter coming up, definitely getting a lot of use out of this one. Oh yeah. Ooh, feels really nice. Feels really nice. Up next. Oh, okay. All right. We got the dark colored logo on a black background for a small pillowcase. So this right here, you got the zipper on the bottom, stuff that pillow inside, and you got yourself a couch pillow. What's next? You guessed it. The light version logo on the white background, small pillowcase. Up next, is that getting old yet? All right, we got a classic. It's the light colored logo on a white background, t-shirt style, crew neck. And up next, last but not least, what could it be? It's a box inside of a box. Box Inception. Knife. Ooh. All right, folks. It's the new morning tradition. It's time to fill up with some coffee in my RTR coffee mug. Got the light colored logo on the black background here. Looking nice, looking nice. Other than a little crooked. Hopefully they're not all like that. We'll let it slide this time. We'll let it slide. But man, what was that guy doing that day? Yeah, that looks good. Send it. Look at all that gear. Oh man, that was a blast. Hope you had fun too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Sunday. It's getting pretty cold out there, folks, so bundle up. I think it was like 25 degrees this morning when I got up. Ugh. Winner's here. Make sure to check out the merch page. It's at revivaltechrepair.com/merch. And definitely drop us a comment, give us a call, or swing on in if you got any questions about your phone, computer, game system, or other electronic needs. We're just trying to be your local, down-to-earth, affordable tech consultant. We do everything from repair to just, random tech help. How does this phone thing work anyway? How do I get this computer running? What do I do with my workflow? We're here to help. We can answer all sorts of questions and fix all sorts of devices. And that about does it for today, folks. Thank you so much once again. Make sure to like the video, share it to somebody else that might be interested, and have a good one.